So today I'm here to teach you how to create an amazing cross-dissolve transition using the fast noise effect inside of the Fusion page of Davinci Resolve. If you stick to the end, I will show you how you can download this one and other graphic elements for Davinci Resolve for free that I will offer to you. So let's go into the computer and let me show how you can create this also. So let's go. So here we are inside of Davinci Resolve edit page, and I already have here the transition that I'm going to teach you. So it's this one. As you can see, it's using the fast noise. So let's create this transition. Let me remove this one. And to create a transition, you have to use a base transition of Davinci Resolve. So you come here to the video transitions. I'm going to choose, for example, this one, the blur, and I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to select it, right click and convert to Fusion Cross Dissolve. Now right click again and open in Fusion page, open in the Fusion page. And now we have here the transition in the Fusion page. As you can see, we have the media in 1 is the first file, the media in 2 is the second file, and here the cross dissolve first thing, and the media out, of course. So let's delete here the cross dissolve. Gonna connect this to here, and it creates this merge. And now let's add our fast noise. Deselect any one of these, right click, for example, in here, shift space, and type, as you can see, fast noise. And we have here the fast noise FN, and add it. And now you can connect this one to this one, and immediately you see the change. So let's put this in the viewer one, it's the same. Now let's adjust our fast noise. Select the fast noise, come here. The first thing that I'll do is come to the color and change from 2 colors to gradient. Come here where it says gradient type. I'm going to choose linear. Then I'm going to come here to the where it says start X, and I'm going to increase it. You will see here this line moving. I'm going to move it somewhere around here to the 4.5, 450, somewhere around here, and do the same here where it says end. I'm gonna remove it and I'm gonna put a 550, something like that. Of course, this will be the size of the dissolve. Okay, something like this, it's okay. So it will use this area to create the dissolve. You can add it some bigger or smaller according to your likes. Now let's come here to the gradient, right click on this triangle over here, come here, select it to white, then come to the second one, right click it and put it to black, and come here to the alpha and put it all the way to 0. And now the effect is almost done. Now let's go to the noise and adjust our noise. I like to increase the contrast and the brightness, and I'm gonna come here to the scale and I'm gonna type 40, and now you will see all of this here. Of course, you can adjust the brightness more or less the way you want, and I like to come here to the detail and remove it a little bit on a soft. Now it's done. Now let's adjust our movement, so the dissolve, the cross fast noise dissolve. So I'm going to use here the offset. So if you move the offset, you will see that the dissolve will disappear somewhere around here. It's at 0, so it's 4.7. And if you come to the other side, so we can use 5 as our offset. So let me reset now. Right click on the offset word and come here where it says modify width and use anim curves. Now let's go to the modifier, and we can come here to the scale, and we're going to put 10 because we're going to use a 5 as offset. So 5 from one side to 5 to the other side, it's 10, and I'm going to offset it to -5, so it's off screen. Now if I move it like this, so if I play it, we have the first image, and if I play it, you will see the transition happening. So it's done. Now let's create our effect that we can install and use it in the edit page. First thing, select these 4 nodes. Don't select the media out. Right click here on the merge and macro and create macro, and let's give it a name. So fast noise transition, and file, let's save. It will save automatically in your macros. I'm gonna save in, and let's come here again, file and save as. Now I'm gonna save it where I have all my other transitions and elements. So I have here in this folder, and in here transitions, inside my name, and gonna give it FastNoise Dissolve. And in my case, I already have it, so yes, type yes, if in your case you don't have it. And now let's go to the folder where I saved it. So you have to create a folder called edit, and inside that folder you have to create this structure. So the effects, generators, titles, and transitions. Now you only have to create the transitions because you only want to put a transition. But in my case, I have all the effects here inside, and I have also the generators. So I have all this created, and this is what I'm going to show you if you stick to the end, where you can download all of this. And inside of the transitions, we have my name, and in here, as you can see, we have the FastNoise Dissolve that we saved right now. So now you have to come to the edit page and zip it. So come here, compress as zip file, give it a name. In my case, I want to give it PM pack. It's the name that you will find. And instead of zip, it's going to be DRFX. So Davinci Resolve FX. Press it, and it asks if that's what you want to do, and type yes. And now you have the PM pack DRFX. In your case, you can call it another name. And now to install it, it's very easy. Double click it. It will open Davinci Resolve. In my case, it's already open. And it asks, do you want to, if it's your first time, it will ask you if you want to install it. In my case, it's asking if I want to overwrite it. I'm going to tell yes, overwrite. Now let's go to the edit page. And now let's delete this transition. And now you can see that we don't have any transitions. Let's close this window. Now let's come here to the video transitions. And as you can see, inside of the video transition, I have a folder called paulo.mesquita. That's my name. And I already have here the FastNoise Dissolve. I'm going to put it over here, and you can adjust it, and it will adapt automatically the beginning and the end to the size. And if we play it, look, here you have it, the transition done, and you can use it wherever you want. And of course, you can create other transitions. So as you could see, it's very easy, and with this technique you can create your own video transitions like this one, or using other effects. So as I said, you can go to the first link down in the description, and it will redirect you to a page where you have to put your name and your email and submit. And after that, you will receive an email with my complete graphics pack, which will include this transition. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you learned something today. And if yes, don't forget, hit that like button, that will help a lot. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell to be notified next time I launch a video. Until there, bye!